Hey there. In today's video, I'll quickly run through how to create a page as a subpage on Squarespace. I'll be showing you this on the web dashboard. First, click on Pages in the left sidebar of your Squarespace dashboard. This opens the Pages panel on the left side of your screen, where you'll see your site's full page structure, main navigation, not link sections, and all your existing pages. Next, you need a drop-down to hold your subpages. Drop-downs work like folders in your navigation menu. If you already have one set up, you can use that. If not, click the plus icon next to main navigation. When the menu pops up, scroll down to the More section at the bottom and select Dropdown. The dropdown appears as a folder-like item in your main navigation. Now let's create the subpage itself. Click the plus icon again. You can either click the one next to main navigation or click Add Page directly below your dropdown. A menu appears with page type options like blank page, gallery, blog, and so on. Pick the type you want, enter a page title in the text field, and press Enter. The page is created and shows up in your Pages panel. Here's the key step. Drag that page into the dropdown. Click and hold the page you just created, then drag it to the indented area below the dropdown. When it's positioned correctly, the page will indent slightly to show it's now nested as a subpage. You can drag pages from anywhere in your Pages panel, even from the Not Linked section if you have existing pages you want to move. Now check that it's working. Look at your site's navigation menu, either preview it or check the live site. Hover over the drop-down title on desktop, and you should see your subpage appear beneath it. On mobile, you'll tap the drop-down and it opens to show the subpages inside. A few things worth knowing: you can drag and drop subpages within the drop-down to reorder them however you want. If you need to move a subpage back out, just drag it to the main navigation section. To customize things like the URL, slug, or navigation title, hover over any page and click the gear icon. Squarespace handles subpage URL structure automatically, but you can tweak it in the page settings under SEO and URL if you need to. One quirk to keep in mind: the drop-down title itself isn't clickable by default. So if you want that top-level item to link to a page, you'll need to add a duplicate page inside the drop-down as the first item. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.